Hello and welcome to my show, Cooking with Keeley, where I teach you how to make simple and easy recipes in the comfort of your own home with little to no effort at all. But first, we want to thank Child Nutrition for making this cooking show possible. Today, we'll be making an omelet, and for this, all you will need is eggs, spinach, and green, red, and yellow bell peppers. And that's all you need. So let's go to the stove and show you how to make this delicious dish. So first, you're going to want to crack all of your eggs into a bowl and discard of the shells, and then whisk your eggs and mix them up so that the yolk mixes with the other thing. Okay. First, you're going to want to cook your spinach first so that it doesn't make everything else burn. So just put some in there. Essentially, you're sauteing it, and then add your peppers in there too. And cook that while you cook your egg. So then you're going to add your egg into your greased up pan. So then you're going to turn off your stove and then add your vegetables into one side of your omelet. Add a little sprinkle of cheese on top. And then take your spatula, go on the other side that has nothing on it, and flip it. Flip it over like so. And then you just wait for the other side to cook, and you flip it. For a little bit of flavor, make sure that you add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of salt on top. Okay. Oh, are you ready? Let's see how I did. I didn't burn it like my grilled cheese from last episode. And make sure that you do what you did to the first time on the other side to this one by adding pepper and salt on top. We added cheese on top and spinach onto the omelet, and then for a garnish, we added orange and avocado. Isn't this recipe easy? I hope you can make it and have a great breakfast with your friends and family. Until next time, thank you for watching. Hello, my name,
You're already cloud.
Hello, my name is Keeley, and what did we say the thing was? Hello and welcome to Cooking with Keeley. My name is Keeley and this is, Hello and welcome to Cooking with Keeley. My name is Keeley and today we're going to be making a grilled cheese sandwich.
This is how you This is how you Two, three. Okay. It's almost worse.